Federal judge rules transgender volleyball player eligible amid controversy. In a high-profile case stirring debate over transgender participation in women's sports, a federal judge has ruled that a San Jose State women's volleyball player, believed to be transgender, is eligible to compete in the Mountain West Conference (MWC) tournament. The decision, issued by U.S. District Judge Kato Crews, came amidst heated objections from players and teams citing concerns over fairness and safety. The legal decision on Monday, Judge Crews denied an emergency injunction filed by co-captain Brooke Slusser of San Jose State and several other MWC players. The motion sought to exclude the athlete from the tournament, revoke 6 of San Jose State's victories obtained via forfeit, and bar the team from further participation. However, Crews dismissed the timing of the motion as unreasonable, emphasizing that the plaintiffs could have raised their concerns earlier. In his 28-page ruling, Crews stated, "The court finds the Mavant's delay was not reasonable. There is no evidence to suggest they were precluded from seeking emergency relief earlier." He added that addressing such a complex issue on short notice created undue strain on the conference as it prepared for the tournament. Transgender policy and backlash. The Mountain West Conference has adhered to its transgender participation policy since 2022, requiring compliance with NCAA guidelines. These guidelines mandate transgender women athletes to maintain testosterone levels within a specified range for at least a year before competition. San Jose State affirmed its players' eligibility under these rules, releasing a statement that said, "We are gratified that the court rejected an 11th-hour attempt to change those rules. Our team looks forward to competing in the Mountain West Volleyball Tournament this week." Controversy among teams and players. The debate began earlier this year when a report from Redux alleged that a San Jose State player was transgender, sparking criticism from athletes and teams. Opponents argued that the player's participation undermined the integrity of women's sports. 4 teams, Nevada, Wyoming, Utah State, and Boise State, boycotted matches against San Jose State, resulting in forfeits. Nevada's outside hitter, Sia Lee, voiced her team's stance. "We didn't want to play against a male player. It's not even about this individual athlete. It's about fair competition and safety for everyone." Slusser, who had previously roomed with the player, joined a federal lawsuit challenging the NCAA's transgender participation policy. She claimed that the player's physical capabilities, such as exceptionally fast spikes, posed safety risks and created an unfair competitive advantage. These allegations intensified the national conversation, drawing attention from media outlets, activist groups, and political figures. A program in the spotlight. Before the controversy, San Jose State's volleyball program rarely drew significant attention. The team, which last won a conference title in 1985, had seen limited success. The player in question had competed for the Spartans for 2 prior seasons without incident or distinction in league statistics. The team's performance this season has been notable, with a 14-5 record and a second-place seeding in the MWC tournament. They are set to face the winner of a quarterfinal match between Utah State and Boise State, 2 teams that previously forfeited matches against them. Broader implications. This case underscores ongoing tensions surrounding transgender athletes' inclusion in women's sports. Advocates argue for inclusivity and adherence to established policies, while critics highlight concerns about fairness and competitive equity. Judge Crews' decision, focused primarily on procedural timing rather than the broader debate, allows the tournament to proceed as planned but leaves unresolved questions about policy and perception. As the Spartans prepare for the upcoming tournament, the national spotlight remains fixed on the unfolding story, reflecting the broader societal divide on the issue.